Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I want to answer a couple questions about Selenium. I get this question a lot. Is Selenium free to use? And the answer to that is absolutely. And I'm going to show you here how to create your first Selenium project from basically scratch using PyCharm. And we're going to go to the selenium.dev website and look at a couple of use cases together. So I'm in PyCharm. I've already clicked new project, but let's just go here. Let's do it over again. File, new project, and we'll call it Selenium demo. Create this. And once we have our new project open, I usually just get rid of all the filler junk that's in here. Loading. And first things first is we have to set up our virtual environment. So I'm running PyCharm, so all of the scripts are specific to the virtual environment, kind of isolates everything. So, everything is like its own deployment. That's the best way to put it. And we go to preferences, Python interpreter. We make sure we have an interpreter selected. We don't. I don't know why it does this, but sometimes you have to go in here. PyCharm, Selenium. Which one is it called? What do we just call this? Selenium demo. Where are you? Selenium demo. I cannot find you. We'll use this. Yeah, there we go. Now, we have our virtual environment set up. We go back into preferences and we have to import Selenium. So preferences, Python interpreter. We only have pip, setup tools, and wheel packages installed. We hit that little plus sign there. Just type in Selenium and install. This will install Selenium for free. You could also do a pip install Selenium if you're running it from the command line, but I like IDEs. That's how I was always taught how to program. Okay, that finished installing. So let's start coding. I usually just copy my imports here. So time, we don't need that. Requests, we're not going to be using that. But we will use the WebDriver and buy and service. Those are pretty important ones. They're it's in my opinion, that's the bare minimum. And we'll just grab a page here. So the first part of running Selenium is you have to set the location of your driver. And you can use Safari, you can use Chrome, you can use Firefox, and you can use like the Edge browser. I use the Chrome WebDriver to run my scripts because there's all these, there's plugins. There's just so much more support for the Chrome driver. Maybe Firefox probably has quite a bit as well. Those two are on par, but Safari and Edge, I don't automate browser testing on Safari and Edge, although it's who wants to open those things anyway. So there's fantastic use cases for them is what I'm saying. So you have to set the location here. I just use s equals service. And then you create your driver by doing driver equals webdriver.chrome, and there's other ones like driver equals webdriver.firefox, right? That's just another way to do it. You also, obviously, you have to install your Firefox WebDriver there. Goes without saying. And then right here, your driver has to be installed there. So I have a whole video on how to install your Chrome driver. And so to open the Chrome driver, or the location where it's installed, what I do is just open up the Finder and you type in, you hold Shift button, Command button, and G, and then that'll bring up this dialog box so you can put in /user/local/bin, and I keep my Chrome driver right here in this binary folder. And this, you can see /user/local/bin Chrome driver, /user local bin Chrome driver. See how that matches up there? Fair enough. And let's open up Google and type in a search. So we're going to open up Google here. google.com. And we're going to inspect the search box and inspect it again so it pulls down to the specific one. So there's the class right there. GLFYF, very unique class name. So what we're going to do is create a variable named search box and set to equal driver dot get driver dot find element by equals by dot class, because we're using class name, and we pass in the value of, oh, that's not it. We pass in the value of that. You see those numbers? That's the name of the class. And then we can do search box dot send keys and then send this is a search. See what that gives us. See, this is a search. Now it typed that in automatically. Now, see how it's open two browsers here? What a pain in the butt. You have to close each one. Well, what I can do is driver.quit. And we'll also import time. We import time so that I can do a time.sleep, just so I can illustrate the amount of time sleeping there. So we'll do this. Let's run this again. Now what this will do is it'll go to Chrome, it'll type in this as a search, it'll wait 3 seconds and then shut the browser down. It just so you don't get super cluttered down there. So anyway, guys, this is showing you the free features of Chrome. Of Selenium, excuse me. This is selenium.dev. You can download, if you didn't want to use the PyCharm package installer, you can download it here. C#, Ruby, Java, Python, JavaScript. It's fantastic. There's documentation. Very, very easy to read with all the different languages. It's just awesome. The WebDriver, the grid, the elements, locator strategies. I've been using this library for a long time, and it's gotten better and better and better. And it all really, for me, it started with Beautiful Soup, and Beautiful Soup was just kind of, it wasn't supported like Selenium. Selenium's amazing. The Actions API, so we can do like a representation of any key input device for interacting with the web page. Like imagine, see how you can click, you can drag and drop all these things, copy and paste. So yeah, that's it. That's Selenium. Hope you like my videos. I've got a bunch of videos in here on Selenium. If you get anything out of this stuff, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and really dropping a comment down below. Like, that helps with the algorithm more than anything is the comment. So drop me a comment. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.